Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to the answer section of the day 1 of the year end quiz fest, the India quiz by Shashanko Sharma. So if you haven't subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel. Hope we have submitted the answers. And here you go with the quiz. Question number 1, looking for the chairman of Surabhi, an Indian cultural magazine show hosted by Renuka Shahane and Siddharth Kak. So basically we were looking for Verghese Kurian. So Verghese Kurian, good enough. So company which was in connection with Surabhi was Amul. So Verghese Kurian would have been a giveaway then if you have figure out which company it was. Moving into question number 2, looking for the name of the political leader this political party is named after. So this is a political symbol of a particular political party that was founded in 1997. So if you know which party it is, obviously the name is embedded in the answer only. So this is basically Biju Patnaik and the political party being Biju Janata Dal. Moving to question number 3, who is she? What happened next? At the age of 4, she used to go with her uncle to Champatala Ghat. So this is basically history about her swimming career. So what happened next? So this is Arati Saha and first Asian woman to cross English Channel, first Indian woman to cross English Channel, good enough. Moving to question number 4, Arati Saha and English Channel are the two keywords which we will looking for full points. Question 4, Persis Madan, Taranath Shenoy and Wilson Cherian. So they are Arjuna Award in swimming. So swimming will fetch you full points. And the coincidence was the previous question was somehow related to swimming only. Question number 5, on what occasion was this cartoon made? So this is basically about the 1959 thing. The Prime Minister said India was ready to face the Chinese challenge. He also warned against hasty action. So mentioning of China 1959, 1962. So those things will fetch you full points. Moving to question number 6, easy one. What is this art form known as? uh, Dubrovnik Cathedral at Italy. So this is basically Pietre Dura or Perchinkari. Perchinkari or Pietre Dura is what I was looking for. Pietre Dura, good enough. So I was looking for the name of the person. PM Modi wrote letter of appreciation to whom on a certain occasion, to which the person replied as this. So who is this person? This is indeed Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Mahendra Singh Dhoni will fetch you full points. Moving to question number 8. So, which is this long serving Indian entity? They ultimately got merged with another entity after a financially unstable stage. So, they were financially unstable after so many years of service. So, this is Lakshmi Vilas Bank. Lakshmi Vilas Bank is good enough. Moving to question number 9, claim to fame. As the clue was given Chadwick Boseman, and Chadwick Boseman would have given you full points. Oh, no, would have give you way to full points. So answer what we were looking for was Black Panther. So Black Panther of Kabini. So this reminds us basically Bagheera in Mowgli. So answer Black Panther, good enough. Moving to question number 10, connect non-exhaustive. So in the image we have Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, Sarvapalli Radhakrishna, Keval Singh and Durga Prasad. So they were basically the ambassador of India to Soviet Union, Soviet Union ambassador of India, ambassador of to Soviet Union, good enough. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, S. Radhakrishnan, Keval Singh, Durga Prasad Dhar. So these were the people in the image. And ambassador to Soviet Union will fetch you full points. Moving to question number 11, on what context did he get some mentions in World Press Photo Awards in 2008? So 2008, 2611, WordPress photo. So the only photo of Ajmal Kasab taken by him. So Sebastian D'Souza. So this was the photo for which he got mentioned in the WordPress photo awards basically. So Ajmal Kasab, only photo of Ajmal Kasab is good enough. Moving to question number 12, probably the easiest of all. So Toda, Kasuti, Jari, Kantha, and Sujini are different types of what. So these are from different states. So these are the different types of what. So embroidery is good enough. Types of embroideries in the different state, good enough. So we will be looking for the word embroidery. Moving to question number 13, which city? So the city of Lord Ananta, and if you see the image clearly, you will see coconut trees all the way, and obviously, and that would make the thing obvious that this is the state Kerala, and Thiruvananthapuram is what I was looking for. You can see in middle, Anantha is in the middle, so that would have been giveaway element in the question that Anantha, Anantha, worship of Anantha, city of Anantha. So Thiruvananthapuram is what I was looking for. Moving to question number 4, Le Masala is based upon uh, whose life and struggle. So if you see the photo clearly, you can see something that is connected in the nose, and a woman with torch would have been some giveaway hint. So this is Irom Sharmila. Irom Sharmila. Moving to question number 15, only few questions left. So this one was a Laddu question, as the hint was already given. So founded about 129 years ago, this is one of the oldest of its kind in India, with supporters all over the country since the time before independence. Just identify this entity. So this entity was founded in 1891, and the answer we will be accepting is Mohammedan Sporting Club. So Mohammedan SC is what we will be looking for. So Mohammedan Sporting Club will fetch you full points. Moving to question number 16, what first in India is named after this hunter of man-eating tigers? So he is the hunter of man-eating tigers. So what was named after him? So this is indeed Jim Corbett National Park, the first ever national park in India. Jim Corbett National Park will fetch you full 10 points. And for half points, the first national park in India, it will fetch you 5 points. So if you wrote first national park of India, that will fetch you 5 points. But if you wrote Jim Corbett National Park, that will fetch you 10 points. And if you wrote both Jim Corbett National Park and the first national park of India, that will also fetch you 10 points, no extra point for that. So Jim Corbett National Park is what we were looking for. Moving to penultimate question, question number 17. Fill in the blanks with the name of a city which get its name from the river which originates in lava hills near Wadi. So the river which originates in lava hills near Wadi is basically Nag, and from Nag we get Nagpur, and Haldirams got their headquarter in Nagpur, so the answer is Nagpur. So Nagpur is what we were looking for. And finally, the final question, question number 10. Before moving to question number 10, would like to invite you all to participate in tomorrow's quiz as well. So tomorrow, same time, 7 p.m. The quiz 2020, all the questions related to the events that happened in 2020 will be asked there. So do join us there at 7 p.m. in the same channel, with the same method. And here you go with the question number 18. So notation of which song, since this is the last question, would have been a giveaway. So The answer is Janaganamana. So question number 18, Janaganamana, good enough. National anthem of India, good enough. So that's all from our India quiz, day 1 of the year end quiz fest. Do join us for the day 2 and day 3. Hope you like the quiz. Don't forget to give your reviews in the comment section. Thanks for participating, and do subscribe the channel and share about this channel with your friends. Thank you.